so we have everything out of the package now. So this is what the back looks like. So I don't know if this is what the actual pattern is going to be, but so on the first row, we see the popcorn, and it has those figures on it. And then on the bottom row, it has the cup with those figures on it. So I want to see if that actually is some type of pattern that we can decipher. So what I have done is I have released all of the minis from their packaging, but I have their little codes in front. So the first one is 1685, and well, it accidentally already fell out, but I'm going to reopen it for you. So basically what they're supposed to do is just kind of pop open with this lever, and it reveals the figure. So the first one that I get is the Roller Skate Ken. And Roller Skate Ken is not on the row. So even though, oh no, it is. So he came from a cup, and he is on the cup row. So maybe it is. So let's see if this one will work. This one is the Blue Jean Ken. Is Blue Jean Ken on this row? It is. Okay, let's see about this one. It is Western Ken. We got all the Kens. So I was very surprised by that because I actually wanted all of the Kens. I really wanted Asian Ken, but I'm actually glad that I got all of the Lions because that's a cool little set. I do want to show them for size perspective. I know most people have already seen these dolls before, but just to kind of give you a size perspective, they do look like great candidates for dolls. So there we go. So now let's move over to popcorn. Oh, and I didn't give y'all the codes. So the first one that we got was the Roller Blade Ken, which is 1685 HF. The second one we got was the Blue Jean Ken, which was 1755 HF. And then Cowboy Ken was 1785 HF. And so then starting with the popcorn, it was 1705 HF. And who do we get? Weird Barbie. That is really cool. So Weird Barbie is definitely on that top row with the popcorn figure. And then, let's see. This next one is 1715 HF. And we got Alan. And Alan is, of course, on that row as well. Now, what I really want is President Barbie. But let's see. No, we got Margot. We got the Disco Margot. Oh well, but I'm so happy with the figures that I got. So hopefully these codes will work for you all. Let me know if you try it out.